ऑफेंस नहीं है, देखिए प्रदर्शनकारियों को किस तरीके से यहाँ पर पीटा जा रहा है।
Cockroach Janata Party, which was named satirically in May by the lawmakers in India, telling them that you are unemployed and you always come with demands, so you are just cockroach. But the students who made that party as Citizen Justice Peace owned the name Cockroach Janata Party, and they said that yes, of course, we are that, and we will now work to get our requirements to be solved. We will work hard to get our problems to be solved, and if they aren't, we will do protest and everything. So this time, a serious issue just came in Delhi, India, when the papers got leaked of the medical entrance examination NEET. Students were getting prepared themselves for a very long time, for years, and when the papers were leaked, there were so many suicidal cases coming out, because of course that was really hurtful for the students, because they were working so hard to be on merit, to work hard to get passed in the exam. But that is really injustice for all of them to get the papers leaked outside and to getting the flyers come and to put themselves into the passing merit. So this time they were furious about it, and with them there was a person who supported them named Sonam Wangchuk. Many Bollywood stars, many people supported him because he was on a hunger strike since many days, more than 3 weeks.
अगर मैं खाना खा भी लूं, तोड़ भी दूं अनशन, क्या बदलेगा? क्या संदेश जाएगा सरकार को कि कोई जवाबदेही की जरूरत नहीं है, लोग खुद चले जाते हैं.
So he was on a hunger strike, and right now he's been admitted to a hospital because of a serious health condition. And on the other side, people were relating him as the character who was based in a movie 3 Idiots, Funsuk Wangru. Amir Khan played his role, and on the other side, people may be thinking that he's the same man, but later on Amir Khan told that no, he was not the same man, because BJP was really against this narrative. BJP was not supporting this just as before, because these people are actually coming out with serious questions and serious problems. You can see what actually they have mentioned.
मोदी जी खुद पढ़े लिखे हैं क्या? उन्हें परीक्षा का पी नहीं आता होगा, एजुकेशन का ई नहीं आता होगा, और बकवास करने के लिए आ जाते हैं.
So the girls are really furious there, because they are saying that Delhi police is not doing justice to them. Delhi police is treating them just like men. They are abusing the girls, they are tearing their clothes, they are beating them up, and this is not fair. But nobody is taking notice about it. Even the students there are saying that they are sick of the Hindu-Muslim thing. They want to get out of this, and they just want humanity to work, because Modi government is continuously imposing a narrative Hindutva, and which is destroying everything as the name of humanity. And these students are actually protesting for many days, and now they want a proper justice, because they want the education minister Dharmendra Pradhan to be removed and sacked, because they say that he doesn't worth it. There are many serious problems going on in the educational system which are unsolved till date. But this time the government is not actually listening to them as always. They are saying that of course we will take care next time, we will work on merit, but we are not going to remove the education minister. But the students want him to be sacked. So they are outside and they are telling that how worse the situation is going on there, what actually they are facing, and they are not gonna stop all this until their requirements are done and solved. On the other side, Sonam Wangchuk is in a serious health condition, and many people are supporting him. As I said, the Bollywood stars are supporting him and saying that he should be treated with proper health care and he should be treated with proper dignity. Because a person who is an engineer, who is a perfect example of education, and who is working for human rights should be treated with a proper care. But on the other side, the students who are outside for the protest, they are the future of India. Even then they are not being properly cared, because the students are telling that except spreading hatred everything, you should take care to protect your students, because your students are your future. You need development, you need a proper educational system, and if you will treat your students as cockroaches, this will really come as a result of chaos, which is already has been started. And there are many people who are claiming that of course the narrative by the BJP government that these students are funded by a specific countries, even they named Pakistan as well and America as well, that there is an imposed narrative given to those students to just come out and they're getting the funds, in which the students answered themselves.
कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि ये प्रोटेस्ट फर्जी है, पाकिस्तान फंडिंग है, ऐसा कुछ लगा आपको?
हाँ फंडेड है, क्यों नहीं है। मेरे को पाकिस्तान से आज 40 रुपए आए हैं, अमेरिका से 20 रुपए और आए हैं, तो उससे मैं यहाँ तक आया रिक्शे से। अब वापस जाने के लिए देखता हूँ, नेपाल से शायद मंगाना पड़ेगा मेरे को पैसे।
Yeah, of course we are funding because India is funding everything to the BJP government. They actually sarcastically said that. In an irony, they said that yes, of course we are funding, that's fine. But what actually has to do with this? Because of course they are not getting funded by anything. Their claims are correct, their questions are correct, and their requirements should be solved. This is the only thing they're demanding for. They don't need any funding or anything because they're just coming out and they're doing the hunger strike. A hunger strike would not really require any funding. The banners, the posters, everything, of course they can afford that. They don't need any funding for that. They're just students. So I think BJP government should stop blaming other countries for this internal issue and they should solve that. They should listen to their students because they are the future of their country. If they will treat their students like this, that will result eventually as a very, very hurtful way.